In this video, we are demonstrating how to set up and use a security key on a Mac device for multi-factor authentication, also known as MFA. Please note that security keys must be FIDO2 compliant to work with Okta, WSU's primary login software. Compatible keys typically have a FIDO certified symbol on their packaging, or note they are FIDO certified in the product description. You can also work with your local WSU IT support team or the Crimson Service Desk for assistance in finding a compatible MFA security key. Setting up a security key on Mac. In your web browser on your Mac device, find the address bar and enter the URL account.wsu.edu. You'll be directed to the WSU login page where you can verify your WSU credentials and complete the initial sign-in process. After you complete this initial sign-in process, you'll be directed to the account settings page, where you can manage settings such as your password, personal information, and MFA methods. On the account settings page, find the Security Methods heading and select the Manage Security Methods button. You will then be directed to the Security Methods page where you can set up, remove, and update your security methods. On the Security Methods page, find the Security Method or Biometric Authenticator label and select the Setup button. You will then be directed to the WSU login page where you'll be prompted to complete the sign-in process again to confirm the changes you are making to your Security Method settings. After you complete the additional sign-in process, find the Setup Security Methods heading. Next, find and select the Security Method or Biometric Authenticator Setup button. You will then be provided information for registering a security key or biometric authenticator. Before we continue through the setup process, it is important to note that you may receive different prompts than what we will describe depending on the device and web browser you are using. For this video, we are describing the prompts that appear when you use the Google Chrome desktop browser on a Mac device. First, find the Setup Security Method or Biometric Authenticator heading, and then find and select the Setup button. You will receive the Create a Passkey for Login.wsu.edu dialog box. In the Create a Passkey for Login.wsu.edu dialog box, find and select the Save Another Way button. You will then receive the Choose Where to Save Your Passkey for Login.wsu.edu dialog box, where you can choose to enable the available passkey options. In the Choose Where to Save Your Passkey for Login.wsu.edu dialog box, find and select the USB Security Key button. You will then receive the Use Your Security Key with Login.wsu.edu dialog box, where you are instructed to insert your security key into your Mac device and touch it. Please grab your security key and insert it into the appropriate port on your Mac device. Next, touch the button that is on your security key. Your security key may have advanced touch features, such as fingerprint recognition, that may make this step different. After you insert and touch your security key, return to the Chrome desktop browser. You will then be directed to the Security Methods page, and you will receive a pop-up that confirms the successful setup of your security key. Now that you've successfully enabled your security key, you are ready to use the key to sign in to your WSU account and complete MFA. Using a security key on Mac. On the WSU login page, find the Sign In heading and select the Username field. In the Username field, enter your WSU username and select the Next button. You'll then be prompted to confirm your WSU password. Find the Verify with your password heading and select the Password field. In the Password field, enter your WSU password and select the Verify button. You may then be prompted to complete MFA with your usual or previous security method. In our case, we are prompted to complete MFA with Okta Verify. To complete MFA with a different method, select the Verify with Something Else button. Next, find the Verify It's You with the Security Method heading and select the Security Key or Biometric Authenticator button. You will then receive the Use a Saved Pass Key for Login.wsu.edu dialog box, where you can choose to use one of the listed passkey options. In the Use a Saved Passkey for Login.wsu.edu dialog box, select the USB Security Key button. You will then receive the Use Your Security Key with Login.wsu.edu dialog box, where you are instructed to insert your security key into your Mac device and touch it. Please grab your security key, insert it into the appropriate port on your Mac device, and touch the button that is on your security key. After you insert and touch your security key, return to the Chrome desktop browser. In the Chrome desktop browser, you will automatically be signed in to the WSU website you are attempting to access. In our case, we successfully accessed the Account Settings page. Information Technology Services logo.